Hey everybody, what's going on? Birchmo video. We've got a Toyota FJ Cruiser to service, so I'm gonna slide the rack out and we shall get started on it. Never seen the inside of one of these before. It looks kind of strange. So you can look at the dash. It's like, I don't really know. It's like a cylinder or something goes across the front of the dash. It's just they're just an odd design. The color match freaking stereo system, or that's really just part of the dash setup, I guess, but color match seats all the way to the back. I'm not exactly sure what year this is. I'm fixing to get it real quick. Look how big these windows are. Well, I get you. Yeah, look at this side over here. You can get a better look. They're massive. These windows are. So I mean, I can give you a good idea. My elbow up against the sign. That much space. They're way bigger than my mirrors. The shifter levers different. This is all of this is standard too. They come standard like this. And the e-brake down here, which is kind of fun. Yeah, I mean, the windshield it seems like it's just so far away. This pillar is so big. It's kind of neat. Got the little thing there. So the stakes of 14. So she's tight. Alright guys, so on these Toyotas, several of them are like it too. They either have the oil filter underneath that doesn't look like an oil filter, it holds the little filter inside of it, or it's, I'm pretty sure, like this one, or they are up top, or a regular filter on the side of the top of the engine, around the front of the engine or the side, something like that. So I'm pretty sure that's where it is on this. If you need to know what the oil plug looks like, this is what it is. It takes a, what size did I say earlier? 14, I think. Yep, takes a little 14 millimeter. Fits right in there. If you have to know that. Actually, what I'm going to do right now is put the oil plug back in it. You will get your hands dirty doing this. There's no getting around it. Get nice and snug. Not too tight. And that's all we have under here. No ball joints need to be greased or anything. So, yep. So let's go up top. And just as I suspected, there's the little oil filter right there. Let's see what size she is, if I can. I don't think you guys can see. You might be able to. 21-348 Napa filters. After I find our little filter right here. 21-348. Now for this, I believe what we have to do, there should be a hole. Yeah, there's a little hole right there, right in there. So there's a little drain thing right underneath it. Usually there's a tube on it. In this case there is not. so we have to hold something underneath it. So pretty much all I'm going to do is use an old oil quart deal, you know what I'm trying to say, and stick that thing on there. Get my camera positioned just right. You may not be able to see this in the video. Yep, I'm just going to have to do it real quick, and then I'll show you right now. You just take it, and we'll take the lid off, and you go under here, and obviously, you know, common sense dictates what you have to do there. Another thing I just found out, you kind of have to, sometimes if you can't get your arm in there just right at a good enough angle, if it's too tight, you have to take these little nuts out. It's a 10mm. I was actually able to get the bottle to hold right there, so it's good if you have an opportunity like that to just let it sit there and let it drain pretty much the rest of the time that you're doing this, just in case that way you make sure you get everything. Put this over here, our oil filter dumpster, you know what I mean. Getting this open with one hand is kind of a chore. Like I said, make sure it's the right filter. 21-348. Yeah, I had to take that off. Get on there, you son of a gun. Getting it on there straight would also help. And just snug it down. I have a situation for this battery terminal too, if you guys need to know. Nice and tight. Now this is really easy actually. The little hooks on this go right on those little rubbers just like that, and it comes down, and you might have to align it a little bit. Yep, because they feel stretched. And you take your little nuts and put them back on, you know. Obviously you guys know how to do that. I'll tighten that up in a second. For this battery terminal, get you some battery terminal cleaner. You can probably find it anywhere, I'd say. And you just spray it. Don't need a lot. And let it just kind of foam up. And leave it there. Do what? Oh. Five and a quarter. Five and a quarter quarts. So that's all we got on this, guys. Toyota FJ Cruiser, 2008 model. 5 and a quarter quarts, full-wheel drive, 5W30. This is the first of my video. Have a good day. Get ready, hit it. You ready to hit it?
I did.
Oh.
That's it?